Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandouliere in the 35 size in the damier ebene print. I've had this bag for just a little while now and I've been using this exclusively for travel for overnight, and I did do a video recently showing what fits inside for overnight, and it actually worked really perfectly for this one night staycation that I had, but I'll link that video up above in case you missed it. In today's video I'm going to show you how I pack this bag with an organizer. So I actually got this organizer from ZOOMONI, and this is not a sponsored video, but I do have a few organizers from ZOOMONI that work out really perfectly to create a little bit more structure and a bit more organization in my bags. So if you're familiar with the Speedy, you know that it is quite a smushy and slouchy bag, and there's no structure on the bottom, there's no base, so it's very malleable, which I think is really nice when you need to stuff it with a lot of things. That's what I did for my overnight staycation. I put so much in there, I really packed it, but for other uses, I feel like I would like a little bit more structure. So that's why I got this here. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. And then it also has this for a water bottle or some kind of separation if you wanted to put a larger item. And of course, there's the main compartment. I ordered the red because I wanted to match the beautiful pop of red interior that comes with the damier ebene print. So I thought it was really lovely to match. I'm going to put this inside and I will show you how I can pack this with some of my belongings. So just kind of get it in there. It fits really nicely. It's not too big, meaning it doesn't push up against the sides of the canvas. There's a little bit of room, as you can see, on all 4 sides, so I feel like that was intentional so that there's a little bit of breathing space and it doesn't mess with the integrity of the canvas. So there's this little pouch that comes with the organizers, and at first I was like, what is this for? I've been using this for like lipstick, hand lotion if I wanted to keep something separate, or even a pen if you don't want it to explode, so that's kind of handy. So there we have it, and this way there's no slouch on the bottom. It's still soft, but it doesn't have that sagginess. Okay, so let's open this up and start to pack it. So the largest item that I'm going to show you is my toiletry pouch, 26 size, which is no longer available, and I hear that Louis Vuitton is going to be revamping this somehow or another and then reintroducing it. I don't know what it's going to look like, when it's going to come out, and what the price point is going to be, but I got this one in the monogram for about $520 I think last year, and I guess before they pulled these from production the prices had gone up a couple times, so yeah, we'll see what they bring back. Anyway, I digress. So this is the 26 size, and let's see how this goes in. That is perfect. Wow. Okay, so that goes in really nicely. And then I've got my cosmetic pouch in the PM size, some of my makeup. So if I'm going on an extended trip or just to visit someone, I might need that. And then you've got mini pochette for my little knickknacks. Okay. And then here's my card holder. So I would put that in one of these little pockets for easier access. There you go. Here's my phone case that I got for my birthday from my daughter recently. If you missed that birthday unboxing video, I'll link that up above. So cute with sushi and sashimi on here. So pretend my phone's in here. I'm filming with it now. So there we go. Easy access right there. There's a water bottle, and I can just plop that right in and it separates from the rest of the items. Can you see that? There you go. Holds it nice so it's not flopping around. A little fig bar from Trader Joe's if you need a pick-me-up, an energizer. It's always nice to have a little bit of a snack with you. A pen. I always like to bring a pen. Now this is where it comes in handy if you want to go like that, just to make sure it doesn't explode on you or all over the bag. There we go. And if you're using this for travel, You can absolutely put your passport in one of these little pockets, or even like a side pocket here. Let's see. See that right there? There's also the zipper component here. So let's see how that looks. That works as well, right? I'm reading this book lately, The Chanel Sisters. I got it from the library. It's really good. It's a historical fiction about Chanel and her sisters, and it's from the point of view of her younger sister, Antoinette. Really, really cool. So I can put this in. You see, this bag really packs a punch. You can get a lot in here. You see that? You could also lay it flat if you want on the bottom because there's plenty of space. So there you have it. You can get some sunglasses in here. You can also move it like this. Wow, still plenty of room for other knickknacks. I don't know what else to put in. By the way, this I wanted to show you. So the vachetta on the monogram Speedy is really soft. This, however, is the treated leather, and it's not nearly as soft. It's a little bit stiff, a little bit more rigid. I'm hoping that over time it will soften up, but it's not going to get as nearly as soft as vachetta, just because it's a different type of leather. But I got this one here, I wanted to quickly show you, from Dress Up Your Purse. And you know I'm a huge fan of Dress Up Your Purse. I get a lot of straps and chains and accessories from there. And so this one, I thought it was kind of fun because, first of all, as you can see the difference, it's really, really soft and pliable. And it is also adjustable. So if you wanted to make it shorter, that's always helpful. It has the gold hardware that matches really nicely with the Louis Vuitton hardware. And so what I've been doing is I've actually been taking this with me and putting it in the bag in case this starts to kind of hurt or get uncomfortable. I can swap it out. Also, how fun, it has the matching pop of red and the contrast red stitching. So how cool. Dress Up Your Purse always comes out with the most practical and well done items. So for example, I would just put this in here in case I needed that. And this one here I have on a really short length, so it kind of hangs on me like a gym bag, and that's intentional because I don't want it flopping around. It is a pretty large bag on my frame, but you can see there's plenty of space to put more in, but then it'll get a bit heavy, so I don't know, it depends on how tolerant you are of heavy bags, but yeah, that feels pretty good. I could carry this around like this. If I'm driving somewhere, visiting someone, this could work perfectly. Obviously, just walking around the city on a daily basis, it's going to be too big and too heavy. So that's why I say I use this for specific purposes. But definitely wanted to show you my new ZOOMONI organizer, and I also wanted to show you my Dress Up Your Purse strap. I have discount codes and links for both. If you are interested in shopping and you want to save some money, I will link those down below in the description box. But yeah, looks good, right? So organized, and there's no lumpiness. That's what I love. No sagging and no lumpiness on the bottom. So if I had put all of these items in without the organizer, it would just be messy. First of all, it wouldn't be as contained, and it would be kind of saggy and lumpy on the bottom. So I don't love that look. So here's another closer look. Right, there you go. If you're into big bags, this is a great size. I guess it also depends on your body size and your frame, but I think that big bags are coming back. And if you're into big bags, I really think the 35 is kind of a sort of like a neglected size. You know, you have the 25 that's been made famous by Audrey Hepburn, which I had and then I let go of for a variety of reasons. And then you have the 30, I think that is also good for a daily bag if you like a little bit bigger, more roomy, and you have a bigger frame perhaps. But I feel like then it kind of jumps to like the bigger sizes that are used for like luggage. And this one here, it's kind of ignored. But the 35, I'm telling you, it's a really great size for all different body types. And it's not so big that if you pack it to the brim, it'll be too heavy to pick up. That's something that I had considered. Like I had considered the 40 size, but I knew that I just wouldn't be able to carry that for long if I packed it. So this is really perfect. And like I said, for overnight travel too, It fit all of my essentials, and probably for overnight travel, as you'll see in that video that I mentioned before, it would be better not to use the organizer because then you'll have a little bit more space because this is made out of felt. So it takes up just a few centimeters here and there, but it will make a difference if you're really packing it with like clothes and a hair dryer and all your overnight essentials. But otherwise, if you're going to use it kind of like this, I mean, a full-size book easily fits. The Toiletry 26 fits, like all this stuff. Yeah, it's so good. And there's no wonkiness when you zip it up. It's super straight. That means there's plenty of space. It's not overpacked. Definitely want to show you guys that one. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you love Louis Vuitton or just handbags in general, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a member of our community. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye-bye.